Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, it looks like it's on a second page. Disregard the automatic page flip. It was adding a toggle right here, that's why it happened. But normally you just want to swipe, and you should find your Do Not Disturb toggle somewhere here. Once you find it, you want to hold it if it's the first time around you're using it, just because this will quickly give you access to the settings where you will be able to customize how the actual mode functions. So starting off, we have the toggle, we have for how long, meaning what happens when you actually toggle it on. We have a schedule, we can add a schedule, and from here we have also exceptions for calls, messages, conversations, alarm sounds, apps, and also we can hide notifications. Once you went through all the settings and customize them to your liking, you can close this, and now whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and as you can see, it is now enabled. And you should also be able to see, there we go, an icon for Do Not Disturb mode, which is the circle with a cross on it. So that's the Do Not Disturb mode toggle. Now once you're done with it, you can turn it off by quickly tapping on it again, there we go, to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.